We have another new addition for you guys. We've been working hard, always to improve our lines and rods and everything. We have a new line. So the new line, we've been working on the coating and slickness and how it works in the rods. Along with the weight, we're using a heavy front taper on the line now. And we have this little signal for you guys where the color changes to a darker blue from the teal. And this is to give you another tip on how to use the rod and cast with the rod. It's always easier to start a cast and feed more line if you leave this darker blue section out of the rod tip. So you don't pull in all your line between every cast. If you leave this 7 feet of darker line out, it'll give you a little headway on starting a good cast. I can demonstrate that here for you too. So here's how you use the line transition to help you guys keep casting and start your next cast. Is you can bring in your one cast up until you see the color change in the line, about there, and then you have enough weight out of the rod tip to help start and feed line back out and get a nice cast moving. Bam, and now you're back out fishing again. The new line.